What I want to do today is make a quick video about why you should never use your debit card and what you should do instead. The first thing that I would like to say is that when we're talking about the context of the debit card versus credit card, we're going to be talking about daily purchases. So these are like household items, gas, groceries, stuff that you buy regularly on your debit card. Anything that you purchase regularly on your debit card, you don't think twice about it. You know, a lot of people have this whole idea that a credit card is evil and that it's a road to problems. But I'm going to show you how you can change that mindset and actually benefit by using a credit card. So the first thing is that during the month you have to buy all of these things. You're buying household items, gas, groceries. You're paying utility bills. You're doing all these things, and those bills recur every month. And so basically, when you use your debit card to pay for those things, you're not getting really any benefit. It's going straight from your bank account to their bank account, kind of like cash. But with the invention of the rewards cards, this changed a lot of things. With the rewards cards, even if you're not a credit card user, with the rewards cards, you can actually get points back and cash back when you do your daily shopping. So some cards offer rewards in the form of points, and some offer in the form of cash back. And so, for instance, my Discover card this month is doing a promotion, 5% cash back. I believe it's on groceries this month. And so basically all my grocery purchases this month, I can get 5% cash back if I run them through my Discover card. Now, the trick here is that what you want to do is you want to make sure, research what kind of benefits are available with each card. For instance, some cards are good for hotels, some cards are for travel, some cards are for, you might use, some cards may have rewards for gift cards and those kinds of things. But what you want to do is you want to basically figure out what your financial picture is. Where do you shop most on a monthly basis as recurring bills? And then you want to find a rewards program that you can actually obtain the most points for whatever you're automatically purchasing throughout the month. And when you do this, you're basically creating money out of thin air. Because before you were just using your debit card and then money was transferring to your bank from your bank account to the merchant. And then you're not getting any points. Here, let's just say, for instance, if your grocery bill is $400 a month and you're using 5% cash back on Discover card, credit card, basically what you're doing is you're getting $20 back on your grocery purchases for that month. Well, now it doesn't seem like a lot, but the one thing that in the new way of financial thinking is that a little bit of income stream here, an income stream there, and an income stream there, they add up to a big income stream. And this is actually an income stream that you're actually creating by doing the normal things that you normally do in your daily life. This is, you normally go to the grocery store, you have to put gas in your car, you normally go to the grocery store. These things happen every month. And so the thing about it is you're creating an income stream, even though very small, those things add up. So if you spend $400 of groceries for the entire year, that's almost $5,000 a year on groceries. And if you get 5% back of that $5,000, basically you're roughly getting $250 back on, which almost covers basically a little bit more than a half a month's of groceries just by using the credit card instead of your debit card. Now there's one caveat to this strategy. The caveat to this strategy with the credit card usage is that what you want, if you're using a credit card in place of the debit card, what you want to make sure is that you pay the balance on the credit card before the closing date. So in order for this strategy to work, you need to pay the balance off before the closing date. Because what happens at the closing date is when the credit card company assigns interest to your purchases. So you do not want to actually have that balance hang over. And to be honest, hanging over 1 month is not going to kill you. But if you want to make it the most effective use of the rewards points, you want to pay that balance off before the closing date. And you can find the closing date. The closing date is typically written on your statement in the fine print, typically on the second page, but literally pay it off 2 to 3 days before your closing date, because certain cards your payment doesn't post immediately. So you want to basically pay this off 2 to 3 days before your closing date, just to be sure that these funds get there. The second caveat is that you want to use a credit card with a zero balance. You don't want to enact this strategy with a credit card that you're already carrying the balance. This credit card that you're using in place of your debit card should be an empty credit card that you're using on a daily. You don't want to carry a balance on this credit card, because basically you're kind of defeating the purpose. So try to get a credit card with a zero balance when you're implementing this strategy. I hope this helps, but I hope this helps. I wanted to make this quick video because this is something that's been on my mind for a while, and it's a strategy that I've been using for quite some time. And it really helped me when I was starting a business and I was having literally financial difficulty. These little rewards points and things like that came in huge, came in handy big time. And so I just like to say, I just wanted to share this because literally this helped me quite a bit. And when I was starting my business, I was spending tons of money, and I was literally getting hundreds of dollars a month in rewards points and cash back that was actually paying for things around the house that I needed while I was basically creating my business. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're already doing this, put your comments below and tell me what strategies that you found helpful and whether or not this video was helpful to you. Thank you.